Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Blew Up on here. With a quick heads up, you gotta be sure you subscribe to the Almighty Dark Carnival here on YouTube. And check out my reviews of the first 6 Joker's cards. I do pretty good track by track reviews. Oh, excuse me. Well, the reviews themselves are really old. Used to be some of my most popular videos on when I had my original channel. Um, but you need to be sure you subscribe to the Almighty Dark Carnival. Check out my reviews and my videos talking about the Dark Carnival and stuff. Alright, see you there. Whoop whoop.